Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, we'll wait for another couple of minutes and then we'll start today's session. Yeah, so let's start for today's session. Yeah, before we start, I would just like to give a brief introduction about myself and then what are we going to do for the next 1 month. So just some inside out I would be giving it. Yeah, basically myself, Pradeep. I have over 7+ years of IT experience, wherein I have used different automation tools like Selenium with Java, C Sharp, and then there's also called Tricentis Tosca, another automation tool, which is a commercial one, and a Renorex tool. So I've used this couple of tools wherein to automate a web-based as well as the desktop application. And apart from this UI automation testing, I've also done API testing using Postman, and then performance testing using Neoload, JMeter, etc. So yeah, that's all about me. And the other things that I said, yeah, for the next 1 month, yeah, we are just going to continue about Selenium with Java, and then initially we'll start with Java, the basics of Java, and then Selenium, the basics of that. And apart from this, I would also uh, close this training with one of the basic framework, I would say. And uh, yeah, we will also do a unit test framework, which is TestNG going forward. So meanwhile, I'll just try to manage which particular session we would be doing it. So yeah, that's all for the introduction. So yeah, before I generally start, let's have a kind of your let's have kind of your introductions, kind of from which background are you, and your name and your background, from which background are you. So it's better to know each other at least for the next 1 month, since we are going to be in this training. So it's better to know, and then yeah, we'll start after that. So today's session basically would be on basic thing like installation of the softwares like Java we would be doing, and then an Eclipse ID and an IntelliJ ID as well. That's a optional one, but yeah, we'll do it that one for now. Yeah, if anyone wants to talk, introduce themselves, feel free to unmute and let us know. Yeah, by the way, sorry, was everyone able to hear me? Yeah, okay, right. Yeah, anyone can, at least one can unmute themselves and talk. It would be kind of, I would say, interactive session rather than just gaining the knowledge. It kind of helps you to interact as well with the people. And I would suggest, yeah, if you can unmute and introduce yourself. Seems like no one wants to talk.
Hi,
Yeah, hi. Who is this?
this is Anusha.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Anusha.
Hi, I have completed my BSc
Mhm.
BSc Computers on 2007. I'm working in non-IT background till now.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah, that
that's it.
that would be enough. Yeah, Anusha. That's very nice of you. Thank you. Yeah, anyone else wants to introduce?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you can call me Pradeep.
This is Anil Reddy.
Yeah, okay.
Completed my graduation 2019.
Right.
Become generals.
Becomes okay, fine.
Hi Pradeep,
Yeah, hi. Who's this?
this is Murali.
Yeah, hi Murli.
I completed my BTech in Civil Engineering 2019.
Cool. Okay. BTech in which stream?
Civil Engineering.
Okay.
Hi, Pradeep. I'm Padma. I have completed BTech in Tribly 2016.
Cool, Padma. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, yeah, if you are done and if there's no one wants to introduce themselves, that's fine completely. Yeah. So probably then we'll start our session. So can any one of you share your screen, and then like who doesn't have Java or Eclipse IDE installed? So if they can share the screen, and then I would uh, show the installation process in their system, so that everyone, because in my system it's already there, so I just don't want to continue with that. But is anyone interested in sharing their screen? Like, hello, can anyone hear me? I want someone to share the screen. Yeah, Rajni. Cool. Okay, give me the access so that we'll navigate. Okay, now I have the access. Let me minimize first. So just to start with, so here we'll start with our Java installation first. So we'll see. First, let's check if Java is installed in one system. So to check that, how do we do? Just open a command prompt, and then yeah. Meanwhile, if you guys want to note some points, some things, if you feel like it is you want to remember, if you won't remember and kind of want to note it down for reference later, yeah, you can note it down the points as well. So to check the Java version, Java if it is installed in our system, we just have to come to the command prompt and then just type Java space version. So here, if you see, we have this Java 11 version which is already installed. So with this, we can say Java is already installed and we can continue with the other stuffs. But yeah, if someone else they don't have, then here we would get a screen wherein Java is not recognized thing. So when we get that, which means Java is not properly installed and configured. So for that, what we do is we'll download the Java. So from the Oracle website, let's download it. We want to basically download the JDK, Java Development Kit. So just come in here, search for the Java, and then open this Oracle link. And yeah, you can have, so if you see here, scroll down, you would have this machines. So which particular machine, whichever machine you have. So basically we have Windows machine, right? So we can select Windows. If you have Mac, Linux, use those things. But preferred would be a better if you have this Windows machine. And then here we have different files. So let's install this exe file, which is for 64-bit. So which is the file is of 158 MB. So what you generally have to do is just click on this. So we get the version which is 19 this thing. But since we already have, we are okay to start with that. So you just have to click on this particular link. That's what I said. If someone can share who doesn't have Java installed in their machine, I can show you the complete process, the installation. So you just have to click it here, download it. Once it downloads, we need to have the installation. So I'm not sure if everyone has Java installed in their machine, and that's why they are not sharing. Sorry, it has downloaded multiple times. So here, if you click on this exe file, that is what we are trying to download, right? So it would be there. Once this thing is completed, for that, just right click, install it, the normal process whenever you install. And with the basic window, whatever you get, just continue with the basic installation process. So you just have to click next, 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 and then so yeah. If still someone wants to share who doesn't have Java in their machine, and then I can show to everyone how do we install this Java thing. So let me continue then if no one wants to share. So once we download this, this file, you just have to right click on this and then say run better as administration. So it opens this window. Oh, I cannot see the window. Rajni, can you click yes or no something on the screen if you get a pop-up? Yeah, thank you. So yeah, this installation, basically you would get that window and then just proceed with the next step. So I'll just click on this instead of administrator. But do it as oh, again, even this installation, I guess we can't share that screen. So you would, yeah, you would get this screen, then say next, 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 and but since already it is installed, or should we just do it? Not sure, something is happening on the screen, so we just have to click next. Yeah, I guess I won't be able to access this over screen share because of this thing. Yeah, so that's fine. So basically installation, you just click those next thing, and then uh, Java would be installed. And once the Java is installed, here in your program files, go to your C directory, and you would have this program files 34 64-bit. So this this is 32, and here if you see in both, like either of that, Java would be installed. Just type in here, you come J, you don't see it here, so Java is not here. And then go to this program files. If you see Java, there is a Java folder. So Java is basically installed, JDK, which Rajni has already installed it. So this one, you have this path. So we are basically looking for this bin directory. And now just come to this particular location till here, and then you would have this path, right? So once Java is installed, everything is done. What you have to do is set your environment variables again. I'm not sure if I would be able to do this as well. uh, can we go to properties? Yeah. Is it okay now, Praveen? I'm not sure if everyone has that issue. Yeah. So we have this path, right? So we have cancel this. Rajni, can you click uh, close this pop-up? Basically, close this thing. You don't want this Java setup. Yeah, I sure you want to cancel. Yes. So same way. Yeah. Can you just right click on that this PC and say click on that properties, show more options, properties. Yeah. So here you would scroll down. If I can, yeah, advanced. Wait. Here, if I'm able to do it. Yeah, here environment variables, you see. So go to your advanced system settings and then click on this advanced environment variables that we want to set. So can you click on that environment variables? I'm unable to click. Hello, Rajni, are you there? Can you click on that environment variables just above that OK and cancel screen, right? It opens another window. Click on that advanced system settings. Here, this advanced system settings, and here I'm mouse overing. If you can see that there's an environment variables option. So if you can click on that, yeah, this thing. So here in the system variables section, second section, bottom one. So what we have to do is, can I scroll down? No. So if you can scroll down there, you just click on a new option. You have a new button, right? So click on that new button in the bottom screen, second one. So no, just click on that new button on the screen. If you see new, edit, delete, there are buttons, right? So you can click on that new button. Yeah, edit. You're editing, cancel it. Instead of edit, click on new. So basically we have to set a new environment variable we need to add. or this environment setting thing, again I'll show you after a while. It's okay, we'll see. So once, let's say we have already added that path in our system variables, then Java would be probably installed, and then if you close this command prompt, open again, and then type Java hyphen version, you would see 19 version, whatever you have downloaded, that would be installed. That would show up. So the same message, kind of this thing, just the version whatever is there. So that would be shown. Once that is done, next thing is we have to download the ID. So basically, why do we need ID? ID is what, where we can write the code. But without ID as well, we can write, like in the notepad, plain notepad itself, we can write all that Java related syntaxes and all, and then save that file as .java, and then continue the, like, executing that file as well. We can do it, but as we know, we are humans. We tend to make mistakes. So even in syntax, something or the other, if we do a mistake later at the compilation error and all, we get some issues, like something is missing or something is wrong. So just for that purpose, what people have introduced is this Eclipse ID, wherein Eclipse ID, there are many IDs as well. Eclipse, IntelliJ are the most popular ones. But in that idea, whenever you write some Java related code, so it gives us kind of suggestion, do you want to write that particular part of code. But whereas in notepad, a general notepad, we won't get that, because the plugins related to Java won't be installed. So that's why we need at least one ID wherein it helps us. So for now, we'll just go with Eclipse. So just come here, type Eclipse ID, and then go to this location, this address, eclipse.org. And here, if you scroll down, you would get some version. Just click on this download button. And anyone has any doubts, yeah, feel free to ask. So once you click here, you would get an option, just download. So once we click on this download, basically once you click on that download, it would resume shortly. Yeah, if you see here, this 114 MB. So we are trying to download this Eclipse. So same way you all can do these things in your system. So is it clear till now, whatever I've shown you guys? Can someone confirm in the message, if not unmuting themselves? Yeah, thanks Praveen. Oh, Lakshmi. Yeah. Right. So since everything is clear, yeah. So once this Eclipse is installed, what you have to do is, again, same thing, installation process. But before that, I'm not sure if Lakshmi already, Rajni already has this. So come here, if something is installed already, search for Eclipse, I guess. Yeah, just now whatever we did. So Eclipse is not installed here, and then we have this installation. So just install this. Rajni, can you follow this process? So right click on this, run as administrator, and then see if you get some screen. Yeah, that's installing. So I hope meanwhile all the other ones are they are installing these ones. Yeah. In this, we can select either Eclipse ID for Java developers. We have different things here, enterprise level and enterprise Java and all. So we'll first just select on this Eclipse ID for Java developers. That's fine for us for now. Can you click on that Eclipse ID for Java developers? Yeah, that's right. So you see Java 17 plus with GRE. So it's automatically taking from the latest version. So whatever Java is been already installed, so this uh, Eclipse would pick up this thing. So you can just click continue if that's fine for you, and then click on install. Yeah, if you want to change some directory location, you can click on that folder icon and you can change. So once you click on this install, the installation would begin. Yeah, installation in progress. Accept now. Click on accept now. So yeah, so once you click on it, so installation would begin. So we have downloaded Java, installed it, and now we are downloading Eclipse. It's already downloaded and we are installing that Eclipse ID. So meanwhile, anyone has any doubts, they can ask me. So till this gets installed, Rajni, can you click it somewhere else? I want to again download the other ID. If you can open Chrome browser, yeah, that's it. So here, meanwhile, we'll also install the IntelliJ ID. Yeah, sometimes people use Eclipse and sometimes they use IntelliJ ID. Depends whatever, like in whichever company. I've been like almost in 3 to 4 companies I was working in, and yeah, different company follow different tools. That depends on which company has purchased some license related, and they would just continue in that way for now. But Eclipse again is free. Java is free till as you all know just 8 versions, and after that whatever versions are there, Java has some charges on that, like put a fee on for that particular version related. That's why most of the industries might have stopped till that Java 8 versions. The latest versions, they might have not got it, but yeah, few would use it. Whichever company is okay to pay that commercial licensing, they would probably take that Java latest versions as well. And Eclipse, yeah, it's a free again. Even IntelliJ, we have free version as well as a paid one. So paid one would have basically some extra features, I would say. So here, let's download the IntelliJ ID. Just type it here. So it's kind of IntelliJ and Eclipse are same. There's nothing much difference. Almost, I would say 90 to 95% everything is same. Only thing is how the UI looks like, and few options here and there. It would be different. That's it. So basically, it was done by JetBrains. If you see, so come here, click on this first link, whatever you see, and then or else let's wait since this network issue, I guess, because of that installation process. So we'll wait till that installation is done. So can you see, Rajni, if that installation is done in the bottom screen, that Eclipse, whatever we were doing, if you can open that. Am I able to open it? Yeah, so we have got this screen. Can you first, let's not download this, we'll complete that Eclipse one and then we'll move on to this next one. Still installing. Let it install. So, but till then, like no one has any doubts. Is it so clear, or how is it? Kind of be open to talk as well, and yeah, ask doubts. So only thing you would be learning more is ask doubts and then practice. If you're asking doubts, practicing, and then you would know, you would get some doubts, and then if you ask that, which means you're kind of tell to yourself as well that you are learning. It's a general way. At least someone, if they can confirm they have downloaded Java and then this Eclipse ID and they are installing it. Right, Anil. Yeah, Anil, you can call me. Everyone can call me Pradeep instead of sir. I'm not that old. Installing Eclipse. So I hope Anil, you have also installed Java, because directly if you are installing Eclipse, it won't be opening installing. Basically, it needs Java for sure. Right. How about others? Lakshmi, Jyoti, Praveen, Murli. Can you guys confirm if it's already done, installed? You have at least say it's done.
Pradeep, hi.
Yeah, hi. Who's this?
Yeah, Lakshmi here.
Yes, Lakshmi.
We guys already have Java in our locals. We need to wait for Selenium download. Once we install that, if any problems arise, we will confirm you.
Okay, Selenium.
Yeah.
So you have Eclipse
Selenium.
as well, Java Eclipse.
Yeah, we all have Java.
Oh, okay. So I wasn't aware of that. Yeah, thanks for that information then. Right.
Yeah.
So you can click on this launch button, Rajni, since it's already done. So you would get this Eclipse here. Yeah, here you have the workspace. So basically you can go ahead with this whatever default workspace we get here, or you can click on browse and set some other location wherever you want to. So I would generally prefer keeping it some other location, because later if we just want to refer, even in file explorer we can just navigate there, and all source code related thing we can keep in one particular folder called source, and then we can store our code over there. So yeah, but if you are good with this, and then just say click on launch button. So once we have installed, so whatever plugins Java related as well we said, right? So it would be incorporated here inside this, so that any basic thing like the Java related stuff, whatever we would do it, so that Eclipse would identify it. Yeah, once you download this Eclipse, you would have this particular window, and here we can just jump on to a new project. So you have different options here: create a new project and continue, or import existing ones. So there's a hide button. You can click on this hide button and then move, move on to the next screen. Yeah, Eclipse is installed here. So let's, how about IntelliJ? Is that you guys have already installed, or if you have done, then let's not do that again. Or if anyone is interested, if they want me to do that. I can even do that. So that's probably on you. Can someone confirm if you want me to install IntelliJ IDE?
Pradeep, we need both the Selenium and IntelliJ to run a program.
Sorry, what was that?
We need both Selenium and IntelliJ to run a program, or Selenium is enough?
Program. Now, just to clarify, so a normal Java related program we can execute, we can write and continue just with whatever we have done. Java JDK is already installed, Eclipse is there. So in Eclipse itself, we can create a project and write the code. So we can continue with our Java related program. So Selenium, that part we'll do it later after a while. But before that, or is everyone aware of Java thing, Java completely, or is like, yeah, if someone can give again me a background of what you have done and what exactly you guys are looking for. Basically, my training, this would include Java first and then moving on to the Selenium.
Yeah, we know the ante. So many members don't know about Java, basic Java. Already
Right.
classes have been done, but we don't
Right,
go through it. So it
got
would be
it, got it.
better if
So
you give a
for those few,
basic
yes.
view. Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, meanwhile, for few classes we would just continue on the Java part, and then once the basic, I would say few of the basics of Java, if we are aware, that might help us to continue with the Selenium part. So those things we would be using it. And yeah, later, even if we, whenever we start Selenium, and few things, few topics might be like kind of, we might not be knowing. So in that case, if required at that particular point of time, again, I can jump back to the Java part. I can explain what is that. So yeah, but for now, starting, we'll start with a few Java related stuff. So
Okay. Thank
yeah,
you.
but as a today's session, let's just focus on this installation part and this thing. So from tomorrow onwards, I would start with the basic Java program.
Yeah, okay.
Rajini, can you click on that Chrome browser? I'm not sure I'm unable to open it. Can you open Chrome? Yeah. So here, IntelliJ as well. Few people, few companies, as I said, they may follow, instead of Eclipse, they follow this IntelliJ ID. So yeah, if you guys get placed in some of the other companies, and then instead of Eclipse, if they are using IntelliJ, then it would be totally new to you. So I would recommend, apart from this Eclipse as well, if you can, if you are very familiar with Eclipse and all, if you have already done, then meanwhile, just at least try practicing this IntelliJ as well. That might help you later if in some other companies if you go. So yeah, here this download community version, it would be free, but whereas the ultimate version, it's a paid one, and generally it would be free for first 1 month, and then it would be asking for the license. So as we are just learning it, so we can go ahead with the community version. So if you see what's the difference between these two, so few features would be available in uh, here, and a few won't be available in free, whereas this thing. So basically, but for a automation tester, I would say even the free version, whatever tool we get, that's enough for us to continue. So here, just community version, click on the download button. Once you click on this download button, you who is that? Someone speaking? Uh, can everyone mute themselves? So if they're not talking regarding this session. So yeah, IntelliJ, once we download it, the file is of almost close to 600 MB. So that software would also be installed, and the same process, installation again. Once it is downloaded, installation, just click basic, next, that basics general step, and then again same screen you would get, just like Eclipse, where you can create project or import all those stuff. So in my training, I would also give some basic understanding of the Git repository, wherein we generally store our code. So those things, yeah. So all this stuff I'm just I would be covering it in a month. So every day 1 hour session we would be taking it. So again, since it is downloaded, open this installation, and you can continue with this installation as well. So I guess for now, since we have Eclipse, that's fine. But whoever, yeah, interested, want to do use this particular ID, they can go ahead with this. So does anyone of you wants to know about how to set the environment variables for Java? Or if everyone has that, then there is no point in showing. Screen. Or just wait, let me share my screen, I would show. So yeah, we are done with this thing. So yeah, you can stop sharing, Rajni, and let me share it. So can someone confirm if they are able to see my screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. So once Java is installed, what you have to do, just click on your properties, go here, and then you would have advanced system settings. Click here and environment variables. So you just have to click it here, and then inside this, what you have to do is click a new and set a variable. So here, what variable do you want to set? It is basically one variable that we want to set is Java underscore home, and then value would be again where the Java is installed till that JDK, and before bin, just that same path you have to set it. So here if you see, I have already set that path, C program files Java JDK, this 16 version. So this path we have to give it this way, and then just say okay. Once you say so, Java home is already done. And similar way, what we have to do is in path, just open that path, edit it, and then add another this thing. So just click on new, basically to add a new one, and set the path for your Java. So you have that bin option, right? So wait. So this we have in our Java home. So once we set the Java home, let's say I'll do it in another way. So click on this new, and then here you can use that variable, that Java underscore home, and this percentile, and then which means we are just declaring a variable, our environment variable related, and then Java home, whatever wherever it is there, inside that we have a bin. folder. So we need to specify a path till bin and just say okay. Once we do that, so path to our Java would be set. So this way, once this is done, and then you can go to your command prompt, open a new one, and then type Java space version. Right? And what's next? So yeah, we have another time. So let's also download the Maven, or should I say it now or later? So we'll download the Maven as well. So Maven is what again? What I would say, it's better like I would explain it later. You guys won't be able to understand what is now, what is this for now. Yeah, whoever is new to this. So yeah, this will do it later again. So I guess we are good with this. So yeah, anyone has any doubts, they want to ask anything, yeah, we are open. So we have another 10 minutes for the session, so feel free to ask.